Have you ever pondered the question, how can one make money with Google News? It may sound like a dream, but it's a reality many are living, and you too can be a part of it. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of monetizing Google News, breaking it down into digestible steps. Step 1 is to create a website. It's the foundation of your online presence. Think of it as your virtual storefront, where your content is the product. The website should be user-friendly, engaging, and most importantly, filled with original, high-quality content. Next, you need to apply for Google News. This may sound daunting, but it's not as scary as it seems. Google News is always on the hunt for fresh, high-quality content from various sources. So make sure your website is up to par, then fill out the Google News application form. Remember, Google loves originality, so keep your content unique and valuable. Once you've been accepted into Google News, it's time to optimize your content. This is step 3. SEO, or search engine optimization, is your key here. Use relevant keywords, compelling headlines, and meta descriptions to make your content more discoverable. Always remember, the more traffic you attract, the higher your earning potential. Step 4. Monetize your website. Now that you're a part of Google News and your content is optimized, it's time to start making money. One popular method is through Google AdSense. It allows you to display targeted ads on your website, and you earn money every time these ads are clicked. It's a straightforward and effective way to monetize your traffic. And finally, step 5, keep your content fresh and consistent. Consistency is king in the world of digital content. Regularly update your website with the new, engaging content. This not only keeps your audience coming back for more, but also helps maintain your standing in Google News. To recap, the process of making money with Google News involves creating a website, applying for Google News, optimizing your content, monetizing your site, and maintaining consistent, fresh content. It may seem like a lot, but each step is a building block towards a potential revenue stream that could change your life. Remember, the world of Google News is vast and diverse. With the right approach, dedication, and a bit of patience, you too can carve out a profitable niche within it. So why wait? Start paving your way to success with Google News today. And that's not all, folks. We love hearing from you, so don't hesitate to drop us a line in the comment section below. If you have any questions, thoughts, or insights about monetizing Google News, we're here to listen and respond. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides like this one. Remember, your engagement fuels our motivation to keep delivering valuable content. So, like, share, follow, and keep those comments coming.